Okay, good morning, class. So, one of the questions I saw, or one of the things I saw people having trouble with was period versus frequency. So, period is what we've done a whole lot of, which is the time it takes to make one full oscillation. Okay? So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to time how long it takes Rachel to make one full motion. And so that will be her period. So if we do from when she's at the front, start, and to when she gets back, stop, that took her 2.44 seconds to do that. So that would be her period, but it's not usually accurate to just do one measurement. So instead what we would do is we would do, say, 5 oscillations. So we're going to do 5 times this time, when she's at the back. And I'll start. So 1, and then here we go for 2, and there we go for 3, and 4, and 5. Okay, so she took 12.81 seconds. So if I wanted to figure out what her period is, I would take the total time it took her divided by the number of oscillations I measured. So 12.81 divided by 5, which is a number. So that way I can figure out exactly how long it took her to do that motion. That's what you've done, that's what you're used to. Frequency is the exact same thing, but only opposite. So instead of being how long it takes to make one full motion, it's how many full motions you make in an amount of time. So we're going to do this again for frequency. This time though, I'm going to measure out only 10 seconds, and we're going to count how many oscillations she does in 10 seconds. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. And we're counting. So again, I'm just looking for 10 seconds. There's 2 oscillations. There's 3 oscillations. There's 4 oscillations. So I was just over 10 seconds. Basically, she made 4 oscillations in 10 seconds. So if I wanted to find the period, I would do 10 divided by 4, and that would be the period. But if I want to find the frequency, I would do 4 divided by 10. So she makes less than one wave every second, which makes sense considering the speed that she's going. So hopefully that'll help you answer some questions about period versus frequency.